Why do some of your acne scars heal with pigmentation? If you're asking this question, it is likely that you also have pigmented skin. In patients who have pigmented skin, any inflammation of the skin can result in temporary discoloration or pigmentation in the affected area. The key word though is temporary, and for this reason these areas fortunately are not scars. They're areas of what we call post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. In those who have slightly paler pigmented skin, that pigmentation may last for a few weeks. And for those of us with darker skin, the pigmentation may last for months or even years. But the key point, as I said, is that it is temporary. These are not scars.